Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use coupon codes on Shein app. Now, the first thing is you should do is to simply open Shein application on your phone, then choose any product that you want to purchase. Let's say that I'm gonna choose this product right here. Click on add to cart, and after that, you'll have to go back and click on this shopping cart icon on the top right corner. It will show you here all the products that you will buy. So you just have to check the product that you want to check out for it. Then click on check out down below right here. And here you will find the order confirmation. You just have to type your address on the top right here and add the shipping address, shipping method, and finally the payment method. When you scroll down a little bit, you will find here this option apply coupon. Just tap on it, and here you will find this small box that you can actually apply the coupon in it. And down below you have the recommended coupons for you. You can simply copy the codes like this code right here and get the offer by clicking on apply button right here. And when you go back to check out the final price of your products, you will find out that you have the offer applied. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.